So here we are, back again with sailor pipes, two sailor pipes. This one is still unused and this is going on its first. This one is going on its first packing. Hi there, I'm Popeye. Oh my god. Hi there, I'm Popeye. Hmm? Eat your spinach and smoke your pipe. It is actually a fun toy. Maybe my boy wants to smell and try the fun toy, huh? Trilla, Trilla, look, look, agua agua. Hmm? Hmm? No, you are too small. You have to wait at least for 2 weeks more before you are able to use this pipe, huh? Very cute, very cute. Even this one fits inside here properly, so that's fantastic. And today I also got my where is that one? Ah, it's hidden over here. I got this package from China. Well, the pipes, by the way, is 88 pesos per pipe, so it's like $2 per pipe. These small sailor pipes. I got this one from China. It came in a box, a nice box like this, and there is the small kerosene. Well, what you have to do, you have to dismantle this thing, open it, and get this inner stuff out from, because this is a two-part system. And this stuff is very weak, and to get this out I actually used some of those small screwdrivers that you use for computers. Then I put the charcoal, not the charcoal, the gas as they call it here, the kerosene inside, and let's see if it's working. Yeah, it's working, you see guys. Okay, that's it. Price for this 200 pesos. Okay, just treat it very, very gently, and maybe it will last at least for your first light up. Otherwise I would rather prefer these until I have more experience with that lousy fake zippo copy. Okay, bye bye then. Popeye is signing off. Popeye signing off from Shiver Your Timbers.
Failing in my own defense makes me feel like heaven sends, and I don't mind coloring between the lines, and you're alright by me. hop on down that old back road. We left this life many